Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Zagiti sent a message on Mandlovu and Mazulu that Nokzola wants to meet them. But Mandlovu and Mazulu don't know why Nokzola is coming back on them. While Nkululeko and Nokzola talks for the first time in a longer time, and he tells her off for being selfish. Nomsa does not want to sell Msam. She tells her employees that everything will proceed as planned. She not letting her business get derailed by Macingwana profiles. While Tusheleni warned Nomusa that must selling the atom some, but it seems like Lindy thinks that he will lose her cigar launch on that business. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe there for thanks.